Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to set up your Brother machine on a wireless network. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. You will need to gather some information about your wireless network in order to connect your machine. You will need to know the SSID, or network name, of your router or access point. And you'll need to know your network key or password. The default settings for your router or access point can be found on the equipment label. If your SSID or network key contains both uppercase and lowercase letters, be sure to record them, as both of these credentials are case sensitive. If you've set up a custom SSID and network password and cannot recall this information, please contact your router manufacturer. Setup cannot be accomplished without this information. Begin by pressing the wireless icon on the touchscreen. Select Find Wi-Fi Network. If prompted to enable WLAN, press Yes. Select your SSID or network name and press OK. Enter your network key using the touchscreen. Confirm that your network key is correct and press OK. Once the wireless connection is made, press OK. Go to setup.brother.com and download the installation software. Navigate to your installer file and double-click to begin installation. When the device installation window opens, choose your language and click Next. Review the license agreement and click Accept to continue. Then click Next. Now enter your model number and then click Next. Select Wireless Network and then click Next. Verify that your Brother machine is selected and click Next. Select Standard Installation and then click Next. When the software installation is complete, click Next. Now click Close. If your model supports scanning, you'll be prompted to install Brother iPrint&Scan. To install, review the license agreement and click Agree to continue. Then click OK. Click Select your machine. Verify the connection is set to network. Select your model. Then click OK. Click OK again. All the functions your machine supports will be displayed in the iPrint&Scan window. You are now ready to scan and print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.